But just realize, typically, as a helper, your job is to work for him, for one guy, and get your training after the day is done. But if you're wanting to compare and contrast, let's talk a couple things out. All right, real quick, we're gonna do some T-chart wisdom right here just to compare and contrast. But let's talk about KWI versus just being a helper. If you know a good welder and you can get in as a helper, I guess go for it. You know, everybody's got their own idea of what right looks like. For one, if you come to Kentucky Welding Institute, you're gonna get a plethora of instructors. You're gonna have several instructors, all right? And those instructors are gonna come with various experiences, all right? So some of them have been in paper mills, some of them have been in power plants, some of them nuclear, some refineries. You know, a lot of varied experiences. Some have been on the pipeline, but it's different experiences, okay? If you're a helper, then you're getting trained by the welder. Like, that's what he does. And his job is to make welds, and your job as his helper is to grind and fit and whatever else he needs. But you're getting the experiences of one welder. That's all you're getting. So not varied experiences, one way of doing things. In addition, you know, at KWI, you're welding, you know, you're getting at least 40 hours per week, like dedicated to you. Like, this is your time to practice and weld. And you can do more. You can weld 2 shifts if you want. You know, you could get 80 hours, I guess, if you got it in you, if you got that kind of grit. Come on, we're looking for you. With the helper mindset, and again, some people are gonna argue with me on this, that's okay, but my guess is after you've worked all day with your welder, whatever that is, I don't know if you're pulling 8s or 10s or 12s, whatever you're doing, and once you get back, probably to the campsite, you know, you're back at your camper, your Airbnb, your hotel, that's when he's going to teach you. All right, so again, I don't know how tired you are after 8, 10, or 12 hours a day, but just realize, typically, as a helper, your job is to work for him, for one guy, and get your training after the day is done. Now, you'll see a lot of good tricks, right? I mean, you're out in the field, that's good stuff too. Same type of thing we set up at KWI, as far as, you know, we've got a boiler and a distribution line, we've got a pipe rack. Like, we have ways to show you what industry looks like. But again, various experiences from guys who are in and out of industry, fresh off their tools, as opposed to just one guy. You're getting instructors who have been, you know, they're either certified welding inspectors, certified welding educators, instructors through NCCER, or you got hired by a welder for your pay. So somebody's gonna say, hey, listen, you're getting paid to learn. Yes. I don't know how long this takes you. At KWI, we're 6 months. So for 6 months at 40 hours a week, on the slim side, you're getting 960 hours dedicated to you. If you want to come in extra, come on with it. You can get 1,800 hours if you want it. We weld on Sundays, an extra 4 hours with the Bible study we do. I don't know how much you're getting here, so I don't know how long it's going to take you to go from this helper position to the welder spot that you're wanting. But in 6 months at KWI, you're done. And now you're the one pulling checks. And we're averaging right now, you know, first jobs out somewhere in that $30 per hour range. So I don't know how long you are here as a helper making what you're making for however long, and learning whatever little bit you can after the workday. You know, as that helper thing goes too, you're actually gonna have to find a welder that it will take you. You know, you got to find that job. At KWI, you know, we're running 3 shifts, and we can get you in. But at KWI, we feel like it's much more geared towards putting you in the pilot seat, and we're your co-pilot, as opposed to the vice versa feel of it, the welder-helper version. So do your research. It's not going to fit for everybody. Enroll now or register, whatever. You know, book a spot. Let's start working on your future today. So there it is, it stacks up. If you still want to be a helper, go for it, man. Again, we appreciate or encourage you to do whatever is best for your future at the Kentucky Welding Institute.
So hopefully you guys like this video. We'll be putting out more videos on our YouTube channel, so subscribe to that. And also check out our website. We have links, and we also have shop for clothing and a virtual tour. Until next time, see you there.